I cooked 12 ounces of pasta al dente. That's 340 grams. It really doesn't matter. It's a salad, but approximately. And then I drained it and I washed it with cold water so it would stop cooking. I'm using fusilli. You can use whatever type pasta you want for this salad, okay? We're gonna use celery for this salad. I have 3 stalks. They were on the smaller side. So I just pulled off the little strings from the back and now I'm just chopping it. I'm gonna finely slice a piece of red onion. And you can make these as long as you want. You can half it and make them shorter. I'm just gonna make them a little long. And this is how you want it, right? I peeled some cucumber. I'm just gonna seed it with a spoon. If you're using organic cucumber, you don't need to peel it, guys. And I'm just gonna slice these thinly. Now I'm going to slice half a bell pepper. I am gonna chop these, they're too big. I have about 8 ounces of little tomatoes here. It's one of those packages that come in, you know, with the mix. You can use simple cherry tomatoes if you want. I'm going to half these. These are called kumato or brown tomato if you can find them in your market. I highly recommend them. They are incredibly tasty. I'm gonna chop up some parsley. I drained a 4-ounce can of tuna in water, and now I'm gonna add that to our salad. That's 113 grams. And we're gonna make a vinaigrette to dress it. I'm gonna make my vinaigrette in a small little jar. I'm gonna put half a cup of olive oil in here. And I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. Teaspoon of Dijon. If you don't have Dijon, you can use plain mustard for this, guys. And I'm going to add a teaspoon of honey. Salt and pepper. We'll taste the salt after we're done shaking it. Shake it well. Nope, it's perfect. Oh yes. Noodle salads absorb dressings. So if you have leftovers, you're gonna have to make more dressing and doctor it or it'll be dry. Let's give this a try. That is nice, guys. Those vegetables all crispy in there. The vinaigrette's delicious. The fish adds a lot to it, but it's not excessive, so it's very good. Oh, really nice salad for these warm days. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll see you soon.